Hello and good morning. Wishing all of you Sankranti 2019. This is Gayatri again, coming back to you with the third house. The third house represents siblings, activities, energy, effort, desire, communication, adventure, long life, short travels, hands, shoulders, and nervous system. The basic ones. It also represents dreams, right? The Karaka for the third house is Mars, for siblings, for energy, for effort. The Karaka for communication is Mercury, and Karaka for long life is Saturn. For an Aries Lagna, the third house becomes the natural third house from the Kalapurusha Gemini. Gemini being a dual Aries sign and two twins as their symbols, most Aries people are work with their 8 grams of brains than their 80 grams of body. That means to say they are quick workers, they are fast workers. Their efforts are quick, therefore you feel that they are laid back. You feel that they do not put in enough effort. Their desires are great because they have the third house being the natural third house. They are great communicators. They talk very well and they can convince people very well. The only drawback with an Aries Lagna is that they cannot have a consistency in their efforts. They do not have consistency in their efforts. That is the only drawback with Aries Lagna people, but they make up for lack of consistency by their quickness. They make up for lack of consistency by their quickness. Now, in this chart, we have Moon, Venus associated with the third house. A Moon, Venus in the third house generally indicate artistic qualities. It is a Raja Yoga. Moon Venus combination is a Raja Yoga, and when it is implied in the third house, it means to say the nativity is artistic or has the artistic qualities and ability to use her hands or her communication skills. Moon being a planet of travel in the third house may have also given her lots of short travels. Moon being 15 days off, 15 days on may have also given her periods of super boostful energy, periods of being laid back. The Lord Mercury being in the 7th house shows that the native will have some relationship with the outside world, because 7th house is not only a partnership, it also means the others. 7th house is the others. So she may have some relationship to the outside world, or it can be said that she may use her artistic tendencies to show the world, or she may be a dancer or a singer or a vocalist, or she may be a mimicry artist, because all these Karatatvas are very strong in the third house and in the 7th house. The 7th house being the general public or partnership. So she has her third house goes to the 7th house. We can also say that she would have studied business management, because the 5th house is associated with the third house in the 7th house. So she could have done business management being in the third, she could also do stages, or she could also stand in a stage, dance in a stage, or sing in a stage, because seventh house represents the stage or the outside world. Now in the Navamsha, Mercury is in the ninth amsha, always keeping the Rashi Lagna to be the point of starting. Mercury in the ninth means that there is bhagya to her third parameters of desire, energy, and communication. She will definitely have a sibling. Third house being associated with Venus and Moon definitely gives us an indication that this native will have a sibling and should be a female sibling. Right? Now I have given you short travels because Moon is in the third house. Moon is a planet of travel. Third house is a house of short travel. So therefore the total two combination will give us travel. The Moon is in the third house, giving you ups and downs in desires, efforts, and energies. Moon associated with Venus gives us a Raja Yoga for extracurricular activities. Moon and Venus associated in the third house gives us siblings. Moon and Venus in the third house gives long life because Venus is considered Chiranjeevi, and since the Chiranjeevi Lord is aspecting the third house of long life, the native will have long life. The third lord associated with the seventh house shows the native will be a self-enterpriser, entrepreneur, or she might be self-employed. The third lord associated with the fifth lord and sun shows that the native may take up a career in business or business management. The Mercury, which is in the ninth amsha, in the Navamsha, shows that she has the blessings of the gods for her third and seventh house parameters. Now, let us look at Taurus Lagna, third house. Thank you.